BC Pea Growers was established by my grandpa in 1936 to supply peas into Quebec and the British Isles. The Portage La Prairie splitting mill was built by my dad in 1952. In the 1980s, the splitter moved out to Regina, and the Portage facility was converted into a pulse flour and fiber mill. In 2018, BCP merged with Avena Foods, an oat processing company started by pedigreed seed growers. Avena had pioneered the Purity Protocol system for providing gluten-free oat ingredients to people with celiac disease. BCP had developed processes for milling hulls into food-grade fiber, controlling the particle size of pulse ingredients, and had also begun experimenting with pre-cooked pulse flours to replace eggs. Today, Avena Foods has 6 plants with 140 employees, including an in-house R&D team. Avena partnered with growers on the first Field to Market Canada Pulse Innovation project. Baseline metrics were shared with farmers, CPG companies, and researchers. CPG companies now support farmers in trialing RegenAg practices. Last year, we launched the Avena RegenAg Protocol and were chosen as one of 4 companies worldwide to pilot SCI's new Regenerating Together framework. We're also collaborating with an oat breeding company on high-protein oats. Innovation is an expression of Avena's vision, partnering for safe, healthy diets and a sustainable world.